Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to accept payments on Wix for free. So let's go to the Wix. This is Wix dashboard. You have to go to the dashboard, then you have to click on settings here. Then you'll find here accept payments. Click on accept payments. Now you can see here your business location, this one, which is you can, if it's incorrect, then you can choose the right business location from here. After that, you have to scroll down and you have to select in which method you want to take your payment. Like I am using PayPal. Click on connect PayPal, and you can see here the enter your PayPal account in email below. You have to write here the enter the PayPal account's email here. Okay, after that you have to click on connect. After click on connect, you will be receiving your payments through PayPal for free. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.